Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a new information I want to show you guys on this exchange, that is SuperEx. As usual, it's my favorite trading platform. On this platform I trade crypto. I also trade UX stocks. That is what I want to explain to you guys in this video. Guys, if you have not subscribed to SuperEx, you are missing out, and I don't want you guys to miss out. So in today's video guys, I'll be guiding you on how to trade UX stocks on this platform. But guys, before I move on, this video is for educational purpose, not a financial advice video. I always give you details on how to earn online, legit way to earn online. So always know that crypto is highly volatile and manage your risk at all times. The first thing you have to do guys is to have an account with SuperEx. I've dropped a link in the description. Tap on that link, create your account, verify your account. Once your account has been verified, then go ahead and add some fund to your account. Go ahead and tap on the asset button, tap on deposit. Now from the option here, tap on UXDT. Now wait a bit for it to come out, then send your UXDT to this platform using any of this network. You have different network here guys. Go ahead and send your UXDT. Now that I've sent your UXDT, then the next you have to do is to trade UX stock. So this is very simple. So to buttress that, here is SuperEx official Twitter handle. Wall Street is now on SuperEx. It's under US stock pairs which you can trade on SuperEx. You can gladly trade this with your UXDT. Wall Street is now on SuperEx. Trade Tesla and 90 plus US stock pairs with crypto. This is a very great opportunity guys to trade US stock with your cryptocurrency on SuperEx. Don't forget that SuperEx has huge amount of followers of 333,400 followers, and this information was released few days ago. So you are early to join this platform to earn for yourself. That is what we are to cover in this video. Now on the exchange, go ahead and tap and hold a few seconds the trade button. Now you see stock, tap on stocks. So once you tap on stocks, you have these stocks here. Then tap on this button that says Google/UXDT. There's a small button here, tap on it. Now you have different options here. You have stock, but here we are talking about UX stock. So tap on this US stock button. Once tap on US stock button, you have access to different UX stock company which you can trade here guys, with Tesla, Google, Lulu, Mara, Mastercard, Meta AI, that is from Facebook, Microsoft, lot more on this platform, Pepsi, Pizza, and lots more on this platform. Twitter is also included, Tesla is there. Now you have access to every one of them here. Just say when you want to trade here guys and trade with your crypto. Just be sure you have some crypto on your account. Now let's go and select any of these. For the sake of this video guys, let's take a look at Tesla. Tap on Tesla. So once you tap on Tesla, it comes out like this. You can see that the Tesla has come out and you have access to this interface. Now you've selected your trading pairs. You can see that in the last 24 hours, Tesla has gained about 3.46%. That is very good one for Tesla. At the front, you have the small candlestick. If you tap on that candlestick, you can see that the Tesla is doing great now. In the last 12 hours, Tesla has been uprising. Then you can see what happened to Tesla in the last 4 hours. The last 1 hour, just like what we've explained on crypto, you have access to them in this place. Now that I've done that, you can as well tap on this second candlestick that comes out like this. Now you have access to more market information here, to the current price of Tesla or market price of Tesla or any US stock you want to trade here. Tesla is 441.82 cents, and the last 24 hours the price has increased to 3.46%. Then if you take a look at what's in the front, you have 24 hours high, 24 hours low, volume and turnover. So in the last 24 hours, the highest price of Tesla is 441.82, while the lowest price is 4 22.25, and turnover is around 2.3k 3k, and turnover is 1.53 million. You have access to that. Then if you scroll up a bit, you have access to book order and market history. Just that people are investing on this platform all the time using their UXTT. Then after that, you have information to, you have access to the information. You have the Tesla basic information, full company name, Tesla NSE, is leading global electronic vehicle and clean energy company. So you have access to a website. Then if you tap on project analysis, you have access to the project analysis here, guys. You can see that critical measure, and this is audited by static. So you have access to this here. Now that you know this, let's go and trade Tesla in proper. Now doing that is very simple. You see, we have the current price, you have the price in USDT, and you have the sell in order. So the red indicates sell, while the green indicates buy. So you have different options here. You have the limit option. If you tap on the arrow at the limit option, then you have the market and stop. So let me explain the market. Here the market means that you buy at the current price of Tesla. All of you guys to invest is to enter your UXDT in the appropriate place where you see UXDT. Enter USDT, then the amount of Tesla you get comes up in the place of Tesla. Then go ahead and buy Tesla. If you want to buy it on limit order, you have access to enter the market at your own covenant price, where you see price on UXTT. If you think that the price of Tesla will come down in a moment or in a future, enter the price in the speed provided. Then the amount of USDT you want to invest, enter it in the place of turnover. Then go ahead and tap on buy Tesla. So when the price fall to the price you predicted, the system will initiate your order, and the order will be completed. Now if you want to sell Tesla as well, go ahead and tap on sell button as well. Under sell button, you can sell at market order as well. You can sell at limit order, just as I explained. On market order, you sell at the current price, while on limit order, you sell at your convenient price. Then you can go ahead here and tap on stop loss and take profit, but you have to purchase this before you can take access on that. So these are the simple things you need to do in order to enjoy US stock on SuperEx. So if you enjoy this tip and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, and we'll see you soon on our next video.